Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you use authentication app in your security. We will figure out the solution on Facebook Lite. We come here in app, we click, then we come to this is window like you say. We go down, then we come here in setting. We click in setting, and we come to this is window like you say. We come here in notification, we click in notification, and we come to this is window. Oh sorry, we will go, and we come here in password and security. Sorry, we click here password and security, and we come to this is window. We come here use two factor authentication application. We will come here, and just you click here and use here, and this is authentication app. You click here, and you can use this is security for your Facebook Lite. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video.